Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And this evening, I'm going to be talking about availability and ability. You see, there's a level to which talent can take a man to, and there's a level in which your gift can take you to. You see, a man that has made himself not to be available cannot be competent to destiny. A man that has made himself, a man can have potential, can have skill for a particular work or particular thing or particular endeavor. A man might have the best skill, the best talent, the best gift, the best potential. But if he doesn't have the spirit of availability, he cannot go far. You see, in the kingdom of God, God doesn't take you far because you are more competent, you are more gifted, you are more talented. God recognizes availability. When you make yourself available, God makes you competent. When you make yourself available, you have the ability to do the unbelievable. You see, there's a height to which your talents can take you to. There's a height to which your potential, your gift, your skill can take you to. Availability pushes your life ahead. There are many people that were more skillful than David. There are many people in the Bible that were more skillful than Moses. But God kept them aside. Ladies and gentlemen, in this rugged world, you need to be available with God. In anything you find yourself as a skill, as a potential, in anything, just make yourself available at all costs. It takes hard work to live an easy life. It takes hard work to live an easy life. Don't forget about your abilities. It doesn't take you far. It is your availability. When you are consistent on your pursuit every day. Do you know that in chain, this chain we normally use, it's been arranged that one will cleave to the other, the other one will cleave to the other, then it will be long. You need everyday availability to become what you want to be. Please remain blessed and do have a blessed week. Thank you.